Hello guys, welcome back. So as we have already completed our first 6 challenges, let's take up our 7th challenge now, which is create account based contracted pricing. So once if you launch your playground, let's go to our app launcher and from here click on Salesforce CPQ so that you will get this page. So once if you are here, let's go to our accounts. So from here we are just gonna change this recently viewed to all accounts, and in search list search for GenPoint and click on enter. So once if you get the result, just click on it. So here by going to this related tab, if you scroll down, so let it get load. So you will get this contracted prices. So just click on new. So here in product search for monitor and give it as monitor 1080 pixel, and for price give it as 200. So for this expiration date you have to give December of this year, so it should be December 31st. So once if it is done, click on save. So that is all about this project. Let's go back and click on check challenge. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed our 7th challenge as well. So final challenge, which is our 8th challenge, will be available in the same playlist. Do check that. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.